What is going on, guys? It is Stanos here with another episode of Ark Survival Evolved. Now, I'm sorry for not uploading yesterday. I went out riding, and by the time I got back, it was just way too late to record and stuff. And then by the time I recorded, and then I edited it and stuff like that, it just it wouldn't, I couldn't. So I didn't record yesterday. I didn't even play yesterday. So I am recording. So if I'm recording with something different. So if my mic does sound a little bit shitty, it's because I haven't plugged my mic in. Because I don't know where it is. So last episode, and so if I sounds like I have a cracky voice. Last episode we tamed Monty, the Bronto. So yeah, we did that kind of stuff. Got a bunch of stuff on him. So yeah, we did that. I think I nearly got enough metal to make a refrigerator. I think I need 20 more. That means 40 metal. Structures, electric. Yeah, so I need 40 more metal. No metal in there. Nope. So I just collected 6 eggs this morning, so I got a lot of eggs. I might be uploading later because my school has started, so yeah, I get back later. Usually I recorded really early in the morning, and then during the day I edited and stuff. So sorry if I do upload late, but I probably won't. I should still upload. Well, I never really have a exact upload time. Well, when I upload it overnight, so I don't exactly know when it finishes because I upload it and I go to sleep. So I start uploading and go to sleep. So that's what I do. And so I don't know when it uploads. All I know is when I wake up, it's done. Every time I've done it so far, which is helpful because I got a lot of family, so I can't upload during the day or else the internet's crap for the rest of the family. So, yep. So, getting some metal. Oh, I thought that was a Basilosaurus. That's that whale thing that I saw in the first episode. So, gonna fly back, gonna cook up the metal, gonna make a refrigerator, and then we're gonna place it down, and then I have an electric generator already built, I'm pretty sure, with a wire and the wire outlet. So I'm pretty sure that's all built. Yeah, I did, because I remember. Oh, was it? Did I record that when I did that? I think I recorded after I did that. So we still got our little egg farm thing with a bunch of dodos in it. There's one egg. Oh, there's another egg. That egg missed 179 and dropped so many eggs. You got any eggs there? So look at that. 31 eggs. I'm gonna pet you. None of these have seemed to lay eggs yet, which sucks kind of. So I'm gonna go up here. Gonna go into here. Boom. Gonna light that. So that's gonna cook up. Then I'll have enough metal to do the thing. If you're stomping, it's because we got a wooden floor down the hallway, so people sprint down there sometimes. And my family's watching a movie in the living room. So yeah, I'm gonna go out, do some stuff, and get the weight track. And I'll BRBs when the metal cooks up. And we're back in Lag City. No Frame City. It looks clear. Gonna drop in for this drop. Oh, suppressor, nice. Lagging like hell. That means there's a cave around. I figured that out. If it lags, that means there's a cave around. That's why it lags when I go near the things up there. Did this just start the drop? Yeah, I won't worry about it. So, before I did get a blue drop, and I got a blueprint for that. I already got that. And then I got the blueprint for the compass. And I've even learned the engram for the compass. So I just got a bunch of stuff that I already had. Except for the suppressor, which I probably won't even use. Actually, can you put that on your rifle? No, I might as well. I don't have a scope. I might as well put it on. So, let's see how our metal situation is going doing. Oh my god, what the hell was that? See our metal situation. Oh, that might be enough. No, don't think so. Oh, it is. It is. Okay, you can keep cooking. So let's turn this bad boy on. Boom, boom, boom. Whew. That was used up a lot of stuff. Boom. And there's a level. I wasn't concentrating how much XP that gave me. Gave me 1 level and a bit. So we're gonna take this, and take this. Electrical stuff. High tech. So okay, you can put that on. You don't have to put that on foundations. And I'm gonna put you in my storage box soon. Let's see if you can put the refrigerator on normal ground. Oh, okay, you can. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have to demolish you, little boy. Ooh, that's pretty good. I don't want the generator like right next to it. Should be no, because that looks stupid. Does save a lot of space though. Should probably go on orbit camera. This is way more difficult than it should be. I've never actually used this before, so yeah, whatever. Well, I'm not that dumb. I do know this goes over here. And my brother somehow got this to poke out here, which I very like. Oh, because he got a vertical one. Let's see if I can learn a vertical one. Vertical. Let's see, because that'd be much easier, because it points up. Up, you dumbass. Let's get this metal out, and then let's stop that. Let's chuck this metal in. Oh, why are you scrolling all the way down for? We can. Only takes like metal. Wait, it's stupid because you think the other one, the light's flat. You can, oh shit, turn it off. You think the other one that you have could go up, like you just face it up, but it's Ark we're talking about. Nothing bad. Ark is a good game, but the building mechanics, not the greatest sometimes. There we go. That's how I want it. Wait, is that sticking? Boom, and then that's on. Now we need to go get some gas. Take away that. have power. Give me your... Got any more eggs for me? Nope. Hey! We're gonna get that before it can attack us. Now let's see what the spoilage time is on right here. 7 days, I think it was. Oh, that's never spoiling. Food, I don't know if food works in there. Who did I put my cooked meat on? Here it is. Let's see if this will increase in here. Yeah. Just literally spoiled. That was like 16 minutes, I think. Okay, yeah, it does increase it. Punch him out. So that's gonna go in there. Okay. Cool, we got power. Blueprints. In here. I had it on me because last time I was playing, my brother was with me and I didn't trust it. There we go. Chuck that spoiled meat there. We'll go up here. Chuck this right in here. On here. 35. So get this. Chuck that in there. And we're gonna cook up, mix some more. Yeah. So that's cool. Let's see what this person looks like. So, I'm assuming, yeah. So, okay, so it's got 48 slots. That's pretty good. So, I'm gonna plan for you. You're gonna sit in here. So as soon as I hop on you, you fly. That's good. I was gonna do something else, but I forgot now. I think that's all we can do this episode. I think that's going to be it for this episode. That's going to be it for this episode. Well, if you liked the episode, punch that like button. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more Ark episodes. And if I don't upload a single day, that probably means because I ran out of time because of school. So, yeah, I'll catch all you dudes in the next video. Peace out.